Transform your hobby into a thriving business. Unlock the potential of your passion by transforming it into a profitable venture. Imagine spending your days doing what you love while generating income. This journey begins with understanding how your hobby can fill a market need. Every hobby has something unique to offer. Analyze what makes yours special and how it stands out. This distinct element will form the cornerstone of your business, setting you apart in a competitive landscape. Understanding your audience and competitors is crucial. Dive into research to identify who will benefit from your offerings and who you're up against. This insight will guide your strategies and help you position your business effectively. Testing your idea in a small market can provide invaluable feedback. This step helps refine your concept and ensures demand exists. By validating your idea early, you minimize risks and set the stage for sustainable growth. A well-crafted business plan is your roadmap to success. It outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. This plan will guide your decisions, attract potential investors, and keep your business on track as it evolves. Understanding the financial landscape of your startup is crucial. Begin by listing all potential expenses, including equipment, marketing, and operational costs. Estimate your financial needs realistically to avoid surprises and plan for sustainable growth. Gaining the skills necessary for your business can set you apart. Identify areas where you need improvement and seek courses or mentorship. Surround yourself with experienced individuals who can provide guidance and share valuable insights. Your brand identity is the soul of your business. Create a logo, choose colors, and develop a voice that reflects your values. Consistency across all platforms helps build recognition and trust with your audience. A professional online presence is non-negotiable. Design a user-friendly website that showcases your offerings and engages visitors. Utilize social media profiles to connect with potential customers, sharing content that resonates and builds a community around your brand. Having a dedicated workspace enhances productivity and focus. Set up a space that inspires creativity and supports your workflow. Ensure it's equipped with everything you need to efficiently manage daily operations and meet your business goals. Registering your business legally is crucial to establish its credibility and protect your interests. This process involves selecting a business name, filing the necessary paperwork, and obtaining required licenses and permits to operate within your jurisdiction. Developing a marketing strategy is essential to effectively reach your target audience. This involves identifying the best channels to promote your products or services, crafting compelling messages, and setting clear objectives to measure your marketing efforts' success. Networking within your industry opens doors to growth opportunities. Building connections with other professionals can lead to collaborations, partnerships, and valuable insights. Attend industry events and engage with online communities to expand your network. Attending workshops and trade shows keeps you informed about the latest trends and innovations. These events provide opportunities to learn from experts, gain new skills, and discover products or services that can enhance your business. Social media is a powerful tool for brand exposure. By creating engaging content and interacting with your audience, you can increase visibility and build a loyal following. Choose platforms that align with your brand and business goals. Building a strong email list is crucial for customer engagement. It allows you to communicate directly with your audience, providing updates and promotions. Personalized emails can foster loyalty and encourage repeat business, driving long-term success. Exceptional customer service sets your business apart, creating satisfied customers who become loyal advocates. Respond promptly to inquiries and resolve issues effectively. A positive customer experience enhances your brand reputation and encourages word-of-mouth referrals. Staying updated on industry trends helps your business remain relevant and competitive. Regularly research market developments and consumer preferences. Adapting to change ensures you meet evolving customer needs and leverage new opportunities for growth. Pricing your products or services competitively requires balancing profitability with value. Research competitors and understand your market's willingness to pay. Fair pricing attracts customers while ensuring your business remains sustainable and financially healthy. Launching your business with a memorable event creates buzz and excitement. It's an opportunity to showcase your offerings and connect with potential customers. A successful launch sets the tone for your brand and generates initial momentum. Gathering customer feedback is crucial for your business's growth. Actively listen to your customers' needs and preferences to improve your offerings. Implementing changes based on feedback will enhance customer satisfaction and foster long-term relationships with your brand. Efficient time management is key to maintaining productivity. Prioritize tasks and set realistic deadlines to prevent burnout and ensure steady progress. Implementing time management techniques can help balance your workload and keep your business running smoothly. Regularly monitoring financial health helps you make informed decisions. Track expenses, revenue, and profits to identify trends and areas for improvement. Financial vigilance ensures your business remains sustainable and can adapt to changing market conditions. Scaling your business is essential as demand increases. Evaluate your capacity and plan strategically to meet growing needs. Expanding operations, hiring additional staff, or enhancing technology can help you serve more customers without compromising quality. Diversifying your offerings broadens your reach and appeals to new audiences. Introduce complementary products or services that align with your brand. This strategy not only increases revenue potential but also strengthens your market position and resilience. Collaborating with other businesses can unlock new growth opportunities. By partnering with complementary ventures, you can expand your reach and offer more value to customers. Joint ventures or co-promotions can amplify your brand's visibility and credibility. Protecting your business with patents or trademarks is essential for safeguarding your unique offerings. These legal protections ensure that your innovations remain exclusively yours, deterring copycats and preserving your competitive edge in the market. Sharing your story helps establish a genuine connection with your audience. Authenticity fosters trust and loyalty, encouraging customers to support your brand. Your journey can inspire others, making your business more relatable and memorable. Setting achievable goals keeps you motivated and focused. Breaking your vision into manageable milestones allows you to track progress and celebrate small victories. This structured approach ensures steady growth and sustained enthusiasm for your business journey. Take the first step towards turning your hobby into a thriving business today. Embrace the potential to transform your passion into a successful venture. With determination and strategic planning, your dream can become an exciting reality. Like, share, subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.